His mercies are new every morning.
I will give you a new heart.
Every broken place will be restored. This light was always inside you. Now, let it shine brightly.
Your heart becomes full of hope. And gives a heart of flesh. Your spirit is renewed by His presence.
And gives a heart of flesh.
Your spirit is renewed by His presence. God writes His law on your heart.
Lorez, it's important to remember that even in the hardest times, there is still so much good in the world.
You are being transformed daily. Hope flows into your spirit.
God as Spirit guides your steps.
Transformation is God's gift.
Your spirit rejoices in God.
Mr. Davis, we have lived here for generations. Your plans will destroy our community, and we will not allow it.
You are renewed from the inside out. Your heart responds to His voice. Your spirit longs for God.
That's it. Push the texture there.
Yes. Wow.
Yes. See what happens when you trust the process. Keep that energy going.
You are transformed into His likeness. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you.
Brings harvest, brings hope.
and life.